as you saw it on the title. This is a house, absolutely correctly, and it is a house, I'm not gonna lie, but it's Luna's toy house. She got this for a gift for Christmas. It was given by her Aunt Laura, and unfortunately, she also got another gift from another aunt, and those were crayons. Unfortunately, I say, because she wrote on the house when we were not looking. By the end, when I saw, she already had written all over it or scribbled all over it. Look at this. Hopefully you're able to see the crayon marks. They're orange, so they're kind of hard to see on pink. But when you go ahead and open the inside, you see scribbles all over. I'm going to go ahead and try to show you. Look at that. Scribble right there. The chair got scribbled. The tub got scribbled. This is the bathroom. We're missing other kind of furnitures, but Layla has them. On the dresser, on the bed, on the floor. The floors are kind of like textures, or they're a little bit harder to get, like things to get rid of. She also got slime in it. And then other crayon marks. And on the walls too. Look at that. And then when you close it, there's like crayon marks as well on the sides. And I don't think she got any on the front or the back, but she did got on the side. And I had been trying it to get rid of it and clean it, because I was a very well-managed kid. I didn't wrote on my toys. I took care of my toys, and I don't like seeing this. And that got me really mad that she wrote, she scribbled with the crayons on the toys. I know she is still little. She's just 3 years old. But since little, they got to learn that they have to take care of their toys. They can't just be scribbling on it, you know. These crayons are for coloring on a book or anything like that. And yeah, and I don't know if it depends on the crayons or not. I'm thinking these crayons were like $1, or either from the dollar store or like a Dollar Tree or a dollar store item, because of course they're not a brand name. So I don't know if other crayons will get off easily from other stuff, but this ones especially do not. I would have gone with my finger like this, and all you get is like the wax off, but the color stayed on. And I tried different things. I tried clean it with a wipey, simply with soap, and it didn't. I couldn't take it off. I tried a cleaner with parts. One part, I think it was dish soap Dawn, and 2 parts of peroxide liquid, and didn't work. And now I tried on the very top over here some baking soda, and a little bit, tiny bit of water, just like a drizzle. And I used a cotton swab, and kind of like moved it around and kind of create this little paste look like thing that you can grab it, and almost looks like grainy. And I tested it on this side, on the top of the house. This side was also scribbled all over, and it worked. And right here we still have the marks. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try right in front of you guys. So when you guys go with this issue about having crayon marks on plastic, because if you put crayon marks on the wall, you can easily clean it with Clorox, a cloth, a little scrubber thing with Clorox, and they're gone. Except plastic, I would try with Clorox and it didn't work. So we're gonna try it with this thing. the baking soda over here. Hopefully I don't go wrong on this one, and you're gonna go ahead and see when I'm gonna be using my finger. I'm gonna try it here on the chair so you guys can see it because it's like the most visible one, and I'm just going to scrub it, kind of like coat it with whatever stuff that I have. I'm going to put it on the floor as well, and on the table, because she also had some on the table. She got some on the wall. And then let me move it this way so you guys are able to see what am I doing. And look at this. I'm going to scrub, kind of like make it a little bit like scrubbing, just with my finger. Once that I have that, I'm gonna grab a wiper. You could just grab a cloth and kind of like rub it. Oh, I had hot glue the items to here. Now I'm ungluing it because I'm kind of rubbing it a little bit. Look, I'm gonna take it out just for the purpose to show you. Look it. So you're gonna grab your cloth or your wipey or whatever you're scrubbing it with, and look at that. It's gone. The chair has little grooves, so it's harder to get inside of those grooves, but I'm pretty sure that it's like you're able to get it off. We're gonna look at this floor right here. The floor is also texture. Now look at that. I can consider it semi-clean. I can consider it semi-clean because the floor has grooves. It has a texture, so it's harder to clean. Some of the walls here have a different texture as well because they're kind of like rougher, and this is smooth. But it's coming off. The bed is super clean, and the chair over here is kind of clean as well. Yeah. And there you have it. I have finished. I was just wiping it with a little wet wipey because, oh look, I even missed here some of it. The residue or the leftover of the baking soda turns into its form again. And look, and there's Layla over there. It turns into a regular form, and it's powder again. But look at, I wasted almost everything, and I scrubbed everything. Remember, the bed was scrubbed. It had scribbles, and it's clean. The dresser's clean. The bed here and the little table, the little chair is clean. The tub inside is clean now. The floor here, I did needed to do a hard scrubbing because of the texture. Look at, hopefully you can see. Texture is like, I have to like scrub this way, that went over there, as well as here. But everything now, it's clean. On the bottom is clean, and on the sides, it's absolutely clean. Remember, the only thing is, I think it depends on the color of the crayon. I have a little bit, maybe with another scrubbing you can still see it, but you really have to look at it. Other than that, it's pretty clean. Look at the sides are clean as well. Here is the same, that I think is this red crayon that leaves the more residue. But other than that, baking soda does the job with water. But other than that, baking soda does the job with water and baking soda, a little scrubbing. Of course, any cleaning needs a little bit scrubbing. Any cleaning needs a little bit of scrubbing, so scrub it away and it's all clean. Crayons are gone! And crying baby. Other than that, that is all that I have, the helpful tip that I have for you today. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you on a next video. Bye-bye!